Welcome to the Efficient Motion Control Solutions for Small Medium Enterprises in Asia Pacific podcast. In this episode, we're diving into the essential role of motion control in manufacturing. To share his insights, we're joined by Derek Chan, owner of Automatic Controls and Instrumentation, a Siemens Solution Partner. Derek will be answering questions from Sue Lyn, Siemens motion control expert for the APAC region. Let's get started.
Derek, as both a business owner and also a project manager yourself, you bring a wealth of experience to the discussion here today. What do you observe in the OEM market?
It's really a relentless focus on cost efficiency and the need for scalability. Customers are demanding more advanced solutions without having to break the banks. OEMs are under pressure to deliver high-performance product at competitive price while still meeting the needs of the customer.
Is this solely about the initial hardware cost? This seems to be especially crucial, especially in the Asia Pacific market, where OEMs have access to a variety of low-cost technologies, such as the PLCs, the HMI, and also the servo drive.
Many OEM mistakenly focus solely on the upfront cost of the hardware. You have things like engineering manpower, you have software, cost, licensing, you got maintenance, and you also have to worry about the future upgrading that you need to bring for the customers. Some OEM go for standardization, low-cost component. They may seem attractive initially, but they often lack the flexibility that lead to major headaches down the line. Customer requests for specific features that you cannot do with like remote access, advanced diagnostics. Cutting the cost you'll be stuck with the OEM.
So besides this, what are the other limitations of this approach if the OEMs just look at the initial cost of the hardware?
There is a reliance on supplier that you constantly need support from the supplier. It slows you down in your overall operation. There's also issues of communication protocol that the system will need to integrate with other systems. It will limit the ability to integrate with other systems and to meet safety regulations compliance.
And what about the role of technology and the role of tech providers such as Siemens?
We are pleased to be a Siemens partner because it keeps us updated on the latest digitizing and automation technology. Siemens actively listens to the needs of the market and its partner, which is invaluable. It is important to remember that while the advanced tech is crucial, solid and reliable automation remains the foundation for many OEMs.
So when you say balance, the word balance, what do you exactly mean?
The OEM must make a delicate balance between the cutting-edge technology while ensuring that they are both affordable and easily scalable. And let's not forget the importance of safety, especially for small and medium businesses.
Thank you for listening today. To gain a competitive edge in motion control, subscribe to our podcast. Get access to new episodes, expert knowledge, and industry updates for SMEs in Asia Pacific. Subscribe now by scanning the QR code or clicking the link. Thank you and have a nice day.